What up, guys? What up? What up? What up? What up? What's up? Good morning. Okay. So this is GBPUSD. We go first to the daily time frame. It's a new week, right? So the first thing I want you to understand is the fact that we are still bearish overall. For me, okay. The external trend is telling me, it's showing me some bearish vibes. So you see this internal uptrend, because this is an internal uptrend where we are now creating higher highs and higher lows. So I even had a little illustration with my students on live stream, okay, or we on YouTube, not even my direct students. So I told them, okay, this is exactly what we have in an uptrend or in a downtrend. You have what we call pullbacks. So the pullback, you have an internal small trend giving you higher highs and higher lows. You see, like here in this measure trend, you had small downtrend, higher highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Okay, it's the same thing now, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, creating an internal trend, while the major trend is what we have here, this this this. Okay, now since I'm still very bearish on this pair, the internal trend is bullish. So what am I looking for? An internal change of character to tell me it's now becoming bearish. So the 4 hours is giving us something very sweet. So I want us to look at it. Okay. This video should not be more than 3 minutes, please. Okay. So you see, we were creating higher highs, higher lows. Now we failed to create the higher high. What happened? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on this resistance level, telling you something, right? What happened? Price break this small internal structure, okay? But now price has not taken out the main structure. So on the 4 hours, we are also creating an internal change. We've created an internal change of character. So what are we looking forward to? We had a sell here over the weekend, okay? On Friday, we took a sell here, but the one we took with the community on Facebook, we had a tight stop loss. So on YouTube, we had a tight stop loss, so it stopped us out. But some people held, so it actually gapped to the downside, but it's okay. So now we are still looking forward to have sales, okay, to sell all the way down. So right now we are in a sell at this point, hoping to come now, take out the structure, and the downtrend continues. So we are not actually predicting, but we are following. If we get stopped out and price breaks above here, we understand and say, okay, now we have to continue the buys. But as of now, we are looking for sell opportunities. All right. So if you're watching me for the very first time and you want to connect with me, feel free to connect here and subscribe, follow, whatever, and let's keep it going.